Hello and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of renaming a folder using the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Whether you want to organize your files better or just change a folder name, I will walk you through each step clearly. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Once the app is open, next navigate to the My Files section, where all your files and folders are listed. Then, find the folder you want to rename. After locating it, tap the three dots icon next to the folder's name. Following that, select the Rename option from the menu. Now enter the new name for your folder in the text field. Finally, confirm by clicking OK to save your changes. That's how easy it is to rename a folder in the OneDrive app on Android. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.